movement na yung mga fans. Naturalize daw natin si Tipachot. Tignan po natin yung mga numero natin from that second set. Another close one and another win for Cagayan Valley.
Well, that's right. But this time around, lower production in terms of attacks para sa parehong koponan Cagayan na with 13, Meralco may 9. Pero kung titignan natin, ang blocking ng Meralco, though they scored 4, meron namang 2 ang Cagayan. But the number of errors actually tumaas ngayong second set with 9 for both squads.
Well, the spiking talaga, yung atake talaga was the big difference para din sa kupunan ng Cagayan Valley in that set. Of course, starring Tipachot, na-naturalize pa natin. May movement para i-naturalize.
Diba?
Nagsisimula na po yung mga fans sa Twitter.
Movement.
Twitter movement na i-naturalize to si Kanika Tipachot. Ayan, mukha naman Pilipina eh.
Very young at 17.
Oo, pwede pa yon. Alam mo, sa ibang bansa, magdidesisyon ka pag 18 ka kung anong gusto mong nationality mo.
Alam mo, ito.
Pwede pa, no?
Pwede naman. Pero tinan mo itong si Tipachot, 18 points already. 2 set pa lang ang nilalaro.
Well, let's see if they can pick up here in the third set for the Power Spikers. But speaking of Power Spike, there's one coming from Wenneth Eulalio. Isa sa mga quiet, productive people para dito sa kupunan ng Rising Suns. And if you're Cagayan, ayaw mo nang pagbigyan itong Meralco, gusto mo nang tambakan kaagad to.
Oo, kasi yung pattern, first 2 sets was the same. Nangungunang Meralco, hahabulin nila in the latter part.
Here's Ivy, and Ivy could not get it across. 2-0. And it is, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Again, of course, si Pomla Soraya, ibang klase rin yung service na binibigay niya rito.
At ang maganda nga dito kay Soraya, when she set...
There's another one.
Very consistent.
Setting consistent, serving consistent also para dito
And
kay Pomla.
powerful.
Very powerful. Yun talagang talim nun. Nangamote si Phil Kainglet that time. 3-0 Cagayan Valley. One more coming up from Pomla Soraya. This time Ivy gets to it. Quick set penetrante pero masyado mababa. Tinulak niya. April Jose ngayon on the back set for Ivy. Nice block there coming from Tipachot. So pati sa block points, nakikihalubilo na rin ito si Kanika Tipachot.
Makikita mo, itong si Tipachot, good sense of court. Maganda yung timing sa blocking, pati
she's
sa
not that
atake.
tall, She's not that tall. She's what, 5'6"? Not really that tall for an open spiker, but she still gets it done. And that time naman, hinangin na yung service nitong si Soraya.
Soraya has been, I think, isa sa malalaking factor kung bakit very steady at magandang nilalaro din ngayon ng Cagayan Valley.
Oh, a service error coming from Micah Morada. 5-1, lamang po rito ang Cagayan Valley. Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. But that serve from Morada let them down.
That's right. And yung actually performance ni Morada for today is not her usual game.
Very erratic. Reyes, however, has been very good. Here is Kainglet, dug up there by Tabaquero. Mais on the push. Reyes keeps it alive. Here's Ivy on the runner. Soraya colliding with Pau Soriano. Si Pau magdo-double touch pa sana doon. And si Soraya's okay. As in, banggaan nyo yun, chest bump.
Chest bump. Mahirap yun.
During a live ball. Well, second ball naman talaga. And Pau should know this. Bibigay mo talaga sa setter mo.
That's right. Pero siguro si Pau, nasa ilalim kasi siya ng bola.
Nice serve coming from Morin. Penetrante o ano. Ito yung bumalik na talaga sa kondisyon,
His playing condition. Makikita natin always delivers for the Power Spikers.
And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Phoenix. Soraya. And nice block by Coco Wang. Again, making volleyball very simple. Meralco now on the comeback trail. Kanina, 5-1 ang kalamangan ng Cagayan Valley. Nakatatlo sunod na rin itong Power Spikers. And penetrante once again. From Bacolod. Soraya from Bangkok. And a shot from Maiso finds the line.
Coming from a good set also from Soraya. Ang ganda ng hawak ng bola nito sa Soraya. You'll see that all her balls are actually very steady. Walang ikot.
Oh, yes. And that's one of the reasons why Nes Pamilar has recruited this young lady from Bangkok. And that is again another good serve. This time si Tipachot. So kanina, attack point, block point, ngayon pati service. So Tipachot, papanaturalize natin. We'll see. Reyes. Phil Kainglet. Jonella is there. Soraya on the run. Yung running step papunta rito kay Angueta Baquero. And all of a sudden, bumulusok na po Cagayan Valley. They're up by 4.